This is the biggest day of the quarter for earnings, as we told you, with more than 10% of the S&P 500 reporting. And the results were pretty good. Here's a look at how some of the other big names fared over the past 3 months.
Some like it cold. No complaints about the winter chill from Under Armour. Its cold weather gear pushed up fourth quarter revenue by 35%. That warmed investors to the stock, and CEO Kevin Plank's stake in the company is now worth more than $2 billion.
There's no question about it. When the weather gets cold, I think everybody in our industry definitely gets a little bit smarter. But, there's a lot more going on than just cold weather with the Under Armour brand right now. So we're very proud of the results, and especially the team that made them happen.
The cold weather and higher mortgage rates may be slowing home sales, but one of the biggest home builders, Pulte, posted an earnings win on both the top and bottom lines, thanks in part to higher prices on the homes it did sell. Defense contractor Northrop Grumman surprised investors by posting earnings of 18 cents above expectations, despite a big drop in government spending. 3M also beat, with fourth quarter earnings up more than 11%, even though sales of its Post-its and glues, among other things, were a little lower than expected. Colgate-Palmolive, a maker of almost half the world's toothpaste, came in 1 penny better than expected. A stronger dollar hurt its margins, but cost-cutting and sales of organic products were pluses. Eli Lilly says last year it sold $5 billion worth of Cymbalta, a drug for depression, making it one of the all-time bestsellers. Sales fell after its U.S. patent expired in December, opening the door for generics. But demand for Lilly's other products grew, and earnings came in as expected. In March, Lilly loses another patent on Avista, a popular drug that treats bone disease. But Lilly's CEO says he's confident about bringing new cancer and diabetes drugs to market.
We've been investing in our pipeline. We have 4 medicines under regulatory review currently, and we could launch as many as 3 of those this year. So this is really the inflection year for us, and we hope those launches will put us back on a growth track starting next year and beyond.
And here's how shares of those companies ended the trading day. Under Armour, Pulte Homes, and Northrop Grumman all rose, with Under Armour the standout, up 23%. Dow component 3M fell, as did Colgate-Palmolive and Eli Lilly, which was off more than 1%.